Hello. Yes, today's teacher Jonah. What's your name? How old are you, Mary? And how are you today? Okay, are you ready for the speaking test? Ready? Yes. What toys have you got? What toys have you got? I've got doll, teddy, bike, ball, a doll. What toys do you want on your birthday? I want a teddy. What's your favorite animal? Favorite? Yes. Cat. Okay. Now let's look here. What's number 1? 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. It's no. Say sports. Sports. No, she is throw. Okay. Skateboard. Dig. Badminton. Okay, now for this part, what's this? What's it? Fish. Do you eat fish? Yes. What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast? I eat bread. I eat bread or rice or noodles. Rice? You eat rice? Okay. Now what are these? Eyes, yes. What color are your eyes? Your eyes, what color is it? Okay, it's black. Do you wear glasses? Yes or no? Mary, you wear glasses? Yes or no? No. Okay. Now what's this? Can you play the guitar? Yes? You can play guitar? You can play? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Where do you listen to music? Where do you listen to music? Do you listen at school or at home? at school. Okay. Now what's this? Do you like bears? No. What's your favorite animal? Favorite animal? Okay. What's your favorite sport? Favorite sport is? It's running. Okay, running, badminton, volleyball, hockey, baseball, okay, basketball, hockey. Do you play? Oh, sorry. Where do you play sports? Where do you play sports? I play sports at school, at home, in the park, in the garden, in the park. Okay. Who do you play sports with? I play with sports with my mom, dad, brother, sister, friend, brother. I play with my brother. Okay, can you swim? Can you swim? Yes. Yes, I can. Thank you, goodbye. Good.